gentlemen, welcome to my kitchen. We're going to be making our coconut lemonade today. Great, refreshing drink for Paleo diet. Now what we're going to start off with is just the basic ingredients, and then I'm going to review with you how we're going to do each part of the recipe. But this is a very simple recipe, okay? So we'll get started. We have 1 cup of coconut milk. We have the zest from 1 lemon. We have a quarter of a cup of freshly squeezed lemon juice. We have 2 tablespoons of raw honey and a cup of ice. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and make this for just 1. This is 1 serving. If you want to make it for 2 or for 4 or 6, just multiply by that number. Alright, let's get started. First things first, we're going to juice the lemon and get the zest. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is I put some parchment paper down here so it won't stick to the breadboard, and I'm going to zest the lemon. I'm going to use number 2 on my zester. Usually people will use the smallest one, but I want there to actually be some color in my lemonade, so I'm using number 2. Don't use that one, too big. Okay? You want zest, you don't want slices. So you're just going to simply take the lemon and you're going to rotate it up and down like you're going up 12 to 6 o'clock on a side until you get that. Then move it again and do the same thing. So we're going to do this until we have a full lemon of zest. Make sure that when you're done with your zest that you tap it off so you can get everything that's inside. Also look inside too. If you have any in there, just simply take your knife and just go ahead and trace through it like so to get all the leftover. And there you have it. Now you've got the zest. You can go ahead and put this to one side and get ready for the juicing. Now I have here just a regular juicer, a little bit of elbow grease and I'll get it, but all sorts of juicers people have nowadays. I don't really need something that's elaborate. Just go ahead and cut it in half and juice the lemon. I would just take the juice of the whole lemon, unless the lemon is really small, and then I would contemplate using 2 lemons. But this right here should be able to give you that quarter cup of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Okay, so as you can see, I have a quarter cup here. Just going to pour the juice that I just juiced out from the lemon, and you can see I have more than enough. So now I have the juice. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we're about ready to work our magic here with our wonderful coconut lemonade. I've got all the ingredients ready. One important note to make sure you slice a piece of the lemon off if you're only making it for 1. Obviously making it 2 for 3 or 4, you're going to have plenty of lemons to use, so make your slices accordingly. But we're going to garnish this with the lemon, and we're going to put it in a tall glass. So I would be really sure you got a few lemon slices left over before you start juicing your lemon. Alright, now what we're going to do is we're going to put it in a blender, food processor, or in this case I have a magic bullet, so I'm going to use that. So you're going to combine all these ingredients into your container, pulse it, don't keep it on blend because you'll make it too refined. Just pulse it until you see that it's become smooth, and then remove it, and then I'll show you what to do next. So here I go. I'm going to add my coconut milk first, then my juice of a lemon, the lemon zest, and then my honey, and then it is ready for the blender. Be back in a sec. Alright, we're just about ready to go here. I have my blended coconut lemonade, which looks awesome. I'm going to go ahead and make just a little slit in the lemon slice like this so that it moves either way. Then I'm going to take my mixture, and you should be able to see little pieces of lemon zest in there, which is awesome. And you're just going to pour that into your glass. Wow, that looks like a cocktail from a bar. Confident in my pour. I've made an exact 8.5 ounce serving. Take my lemon slice and place it right on the glass like so. And then if you have a straw, why not make it look that much more appetizing. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Coconut lemonade. Made for the Paleo lover in you. A refreshing drink, completely and totally as nature intended it. Enjoy.